J.O.A.T.D back with another one.
Alright guys, this is J.O.A.T.D back with another video. Here in front of you is a 2009 manual transmission Scion XB. Today's video is to show you how to reset or turn off the maintenance required light. Let's get started. Alright guys, so I am inside the vehicle, and as you can see, the maintenance required light is on. And in this video, what I'm going to do is show you how to turn off the maintenance required light. All right, so the first thing you want to do is put the key in the on position. All right, just like that. The next thing you want to do is set the trip to A. So right now it says trip B. We're going to press this right button here and we're going to change it to A. Next, we're going to turn the key to the lock position. See, it says lock here. All right, so the next thing you're going to do is you're going to press in this trip button, hold it down, and you're going to turn the key to the on position. You're going to continue pressing the button until you see 6 zeros, and then you can let it go. All right? Press it in. There's the 6 zeros. Let go. As you can see, the maintenance required light is off. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to turn it back off to the lock position. Turn it back on. Crank the vehicle up. And there you go. The maintenance required light is off. This is J.O.A.T.D. and I'm out.
J.O.A.T.D back with another one.